Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add and set up payment on your Shopify store. As you see guys, I will show you step by step how to create your payment and set up your payment on your Shopify account with easy method without no risk. Then guys, go directly to settings and the button, then click on settings. Then guys, on the toolbar you need to scroll to payment section, then click on payment section. As you see guys, you need to provide too much information to add and set up the payment on your Shopify store. There is 3 options to provide the payment section on your Shopify account. First one is payment providers like Visa and MasterCard and other payment method. The second one, you need to support payment method, for example PayPal and Payoneer and other supporting payment. Then the last one, you need to add a manual payment method. Then guys, the first one, go to payment providers. It means provide that enable you to accept payment method at the rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new order once you select a plan. Then guys, go and click on select a provider. Then guys, you need to select the one who support your country and enable on your country. As you see guys, AirPay available in your country, also unavailable in your country. Then you need to, for me I always selecting to check out supporting Visa and MasterCard and also American Express and Discover and also GCB, and the last one a Diner Club. Then first one, click on to check out. As you see guys, before creating your account to check out, you need to enable the last and the bottom. You need to enable which card that you support. For me I always select all of them. Then you need, if you supporting only Visa, you need to disable all this payment card. Then guys, for me I select all this payment card because my country is supporting all this payment card. Then guys, go on the top. Then you need to create your checkout account, then log in and active your checkout account. Then you need to complete all these steps to providing and create. After creating your checkout account, you need to complete all these steps to get support from checkout. Then after getting support from checkout, go and scroll to the bottom. Then you need to enable test mode. Then after enable test mode, test your checkout setup by simulating successfully and failed transaction. Then guys, after you're selecting and creating your account on checkout and providing all these steps, then go and click on activate to checkout. Then guys, the second step that you need to also, then guys, the second step, you need to support the payment method. For example, if you have a PayPal account, then you need to activate your PayPal account. For clicking and click on activate PayPal, then you need to add your email account and the password and activate it to supporting and adding PayPal on your Shopify store. Then guys, the last method that you want to add it's a manual payment method. For example, click on add manual payment method. Then you need to add your bank deposit or money order or cash on delivery COD. Then after adding all this payment method, then automatically your Shopify account, after 2 days you will get the answer that's your payment setup added to your Shopify account. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.